Well, after so many years of working and growing and learning, I joined ABAT, A-B-A-T. That's an acronym for Auto Body Association of Texas. I received an email out of Dallas, an invite, a flyer, I believe, that they were having a trade show in Fort Worth, Dallas, and I was invited to attend. It was the second annual. It was some 10 years ago or so. And so I joined. I got to meet the president at the time, who's still the president today, Bro Richards, and some of his fellow board members, and attended some presentations about body and paint, collision repair. And I want to let you all know that it was enlightening, and it started to create a culture that played a positive role in our services and in what we can offer today. And it's a big difference that it's made in my life. I'd like to go into that a little bit more on our next episode, so please stay tuned. Have a great day.